Welcome everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classroom. So, today we are learning something very practical in mathematics related to the measurement. Suppose I am saying one line segment is here, and if I told you to measure the length of this line segment, very easily you will measure this, right? By putting scale, you can tell the length of this line, right? Just you will measure this, placing a scale, and you will tell that this is the length of particular line. After that, if I put one more line here, एक और लाइन अगर यहाँ पे मैं ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. Now I am telling to find the total length of this side also and this side also. Then what you will do? You will measure this side length also and this side length also. So suppose here this side length is 6 centimeter. And this side length is 3 centimeter, then the total length of from here to here it will be 9 centimeter, right? इसका मतलब अगर प्रैक्टिकली हम एक एग्जांपल ले कि मान लेते हैं यहाँ एक आदमी है यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना चाहता है तो उसको 6 सेंटीमीटर ट्रेवल करना पड़ेगा, और अगर यहाँ से यहाँ फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना चाहता है तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक उसका 3 सेंटीमीटर का लेंथ है, तो 3 प्लस यहाँ से यहाँ तक 6, तो टोटल जो है 9 सेंटीमीटर का जर्नी यहाँ से यहाँ तक करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. And now if I am giving one more line here, and now I am telling what is the total length of this, then I will add this side also, right? So suppose this side is 4 centimeter. So if I am saying, if suppose someone is standing here and he is going up to here, then again coming back here, so one round he is doing. So the total journey, if you want to find out, you will add all things, right? These all sides. So this is all about the parameter of a geometrical figure. The length of all the sides of a particular figure is called the parameter of a geometrical figure, which we are going to learn today. Okay. So this is all about the parameter of a triangle. Now after that, if you draw a square. So in case of square, the four sides are there of equal length. So suppose it is given 5 centimeter is the length of one side, and suppose it is given A, B, C, D. So this will also be 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. That means instead of adding 5, 5, 5, 5 4 times, what we used to do is we multiply 5 into 4. So 20 centimeter. So 5 into 4 centimeter. So 20 centimeter. This is how we can find the parameter of a rectangle also. Suppose we are drawing a rectangle, and the further geometrical figure whatever we have, we will learn about that. Okay. So let us write down the topic name. Topic is the parameter and area. So the concept of parameter and area we have. Concept means basic thing we will learn about the parameter and area. We have already learning since class 5 also. About the 4 also we have introductions about the parameter, how to find out the parameter of a particular geometrical figure, right? So let us start with the rectangle now. Okay. So suppose I am drawing a rectangle here. So in the case of rectangle, what happens? Two opposite sides are of equal length. So let us suppose these two sides are of equal length. Okay, and these two sides are also of equal length, but the length is more than the breadth. So here length is more than the breadth. So this is what the rectangle is. Let us consider A, B, C, D, and suppose the length is given 8 centimeter and breadth is given 5 centimeter, right? So how can we find out the parameter of a rectangle? So in case of rectangle, we know two sides. This is suppose breadth, so breadth, and this is also breadth. So two breadths are there, two times breadths are there, and two times length are also there. So length is also two times. So this is how we can prove this also with the help of that. Suppose this is L and this is B, and this will also be L and this will also be B, because the same length will be these two sides also. So the parameter will be L plus B plus L plus B. So all the sum of all the sides. Okay. अगर हम इस white board का parameter का बात करें, so we have to measure from this corner to this corner and then this corner to this corner, and we will multiply or we will add this side, this side, this side, and this upper side, all the sides, right? So instead of adding, we can do one more thing. There you can see 2 times L we have and 2 times B we have. So we can write it as 2L plus 2B. 2 is common, so we will take out 2, so 2 into L plus B, and this is how we used to tell that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. इसी तरह से वेरीफाई होता है, क्योंकि ये एक्चुअली में सारा ऑपोजिट जो एज होता है that is of equal length. Okay, so in this case also, instead of adding these all sides, you can use this formula. You can put the value in this formula. So if you put the value in this formula, it will be parameter will be 2 into length we have is 8 plus breadth we have is 5. So 8 plus 5 centimeter. So 2 into 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 2 is 13, right? So 13. So 13 to what? 3 to what? 6. 3 to 1 are 2. 26 centimeter. So 26 centimeter will be the parameter of this particular rectangle. Very simply, we will use this formula, and the basic concept of this formula is 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So 2 is taken out common, so 2 into length plus breadth. That's all. So this is all about the parameter of a rectangle. Now let us see the parameter of a square. How we can find out the parameter of a square? Now let us take a square. Let us draw a square. A square is of equal length, all the sides. सारे sides का length जो होता है वो equal होता है. So suppose this is the square. Okay, and let us give the name A, B, C, D. And suppose the sides, all the sides are of A length. A we are considering. You can consider X, Y, Z, whatever you want. So here can you see A plus A plus A plus A. So A plus A plus A plus A. So how many times A? 4 times A, right? 4 times A. So we can write 4 into A. Or this is how we used to write that the parameter of a square is equal to 4 into sides or 4 into A. A को अगर हम लोग साइड कंसीडर करते हैं तो 4 into sides डायरेक्टली हम लोग करते हैं. इसको अगर ऐड करके भी करते हो तो काफी लंबा हो जाता है, इसलिए डायरेक्टली यूज टू मल्टीप्लाई बिकॉज़ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज आल्सो द रिपीटेड एडिशन ओनली. ओके, so suppose I am taking this as 4 centimeter. Okay, so all the sides will be of 4 centimeter. So parameter will be 4 into 4 centimeter. So 16 centimeter will be the parameter of this square. So very easily this type of questions will be asked in this chapter. Okay, what is the parameter of a square? If the sides are this, what is the parameter of a rectangle if the length is this, or and breadth is this, or sometime it may be the parameter of the square will be given, you have to find the side. Sometime it may be the parameter of the rectangle is given, you have to find either length or breadth. So with the help of this concept only you can solve this type of all questions. Okay, so here one question is there, length is given, breadth is given, you have to find the parameter of the rectangle. Very simple, just अगर इस तरह से कोई भी क्वेश्चन रहे, the two units are in combined, first you have to convert the units into the same quantity. अगर जैसे मिनट और आवर्स में रहता है, days and month में रहता है, days and weeks में रहता है, तो what we used to do first, we used to convert into one particular unit. So this is what we will do here also. Okay, if it is meter and kilometer, meter and centimeter. Okay, so this type of thing is there, kilogram and gram. Then first we have to convert and then we can find out the whatever the calculations we want to do. So here it is given decimeter, right? So you know 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, right? So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So here 8 meter will be 80 decimeter, right? 8 meter will be 80 decimeter. So that means, therefore, in third questions of question number 1, L will be 80 plus 5 dm decimeter. Okay, so 85 decimeter. Okay, and breadth is equal to 6 meter means 60 decimeter plus 8. So 6 plus 8, 60 plus 8 decimeter. So that means 68 decimeter. So length is given, breadth is given. So length and breadth we got. Now the parameter of the rectangle. Therefore, parameter of the rectangle will be equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into putting, I am directly putting, so 85 plus 68. So 2 into 85 plus 68 decimeter, so dm. So after multiplying this, we will get, after multiplying and adding, so let us add first. 2 into 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 33, 1 carry. So 7 to 14, 15. 153 multiplied 2. So this much of dm. So 152 multiplied 2 means 306. 306. So 306 decimeter will be the required answer. So this much of decimeter will be the parameter of that particular rectangle. Very simply पहले कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे, फिर पैरामीटर का जो फॉर्मूला है उसे पुट कर देंगे, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ पुट कर देंगे, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 of exercise 21. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular field which is 62 meter long and 33 meter wide. So length is given and breadth is given, and it is also given the rate of fencing is rupees 16 per meter. Okay, so first you have to find out the parameter of the rectangular field, and then you can find out the total cost of fencing this per meter. If it is taking per meter 16, so whatever the parameter that multiplies 16 will be the required answer, right? So let us find out the parameter first. Okay, so here length is given, that means L is given 62 meter, breadth is given 33 meter. So parameter will be Parameter will be 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length we have 62 plus breadth we have 33. So 2 into 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9. This much of meter it is. So 95 2 means 100, 200 and 1. Okay, 9. 5 to times 0, 1 carry, 9 to 18, 19, 190, right? 190 meter. So this is the parameter which we got, 190 meter. Now you have to find out the cost. So therefore the cost, I'm writing here only, cost is given 16 rupees per meter. Okay, so cost of fencing the rectangular field, the cost of fencing the field is equal to rupees 16 per meter. So therefore cost of fencing the field, total cost, therefore the total cost of fencing the field will be 16 multiply 190. So 16 multiply 190 will be rupees 3040. Okay, once check to verify that 19 and 16 multiply 6 9 are 54. So 4 5 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 19 1 are 19. So 403 3040. Yes. So 3040 rupees will be the required cost of fencing this particular field. इस फील्ड को ये करने के लिए, फेंस करने के लिए आपको टोटल जो कॉस्ट लगेगा वो 3040 रुपीस लगेगा. वेरी सिंपली यू विल फर्स्ट फाइंड द पैरामीटर ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. इट मे बी कोई भी मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ रहे एंड आफ्टर देन यू विल फाइंड द कॉस्ट. ताकि कोई भी कॉस्ट दिया रहे विल मल्टीप्लाई विद दैट. ओके, if we are talking about question number 3, it is asking the length and breadth of the rectangular field are in the ratio of this. So the ratio of the length and breadth is given, length and breadth is not given. Sometimes students used to think that 5 is the length and 3 is the breadth, but not. This is the ratio of the length and breadth. So if its parameter is this much centimeter, so parameter is given 128 meter. So find the dimensions of the field. So you have to find the dimensions of the field means you have to find length and breadth of the field. Okay, so let us consider in this question, let L is equal to 5x and B is equal to 3x. Okay, so we know 2 into length plus breadth is equal to the parameter. Okay, so 2 into length plus breadth is equal to the parameter. We know this is the formula, just we have written the parameter this side. Okay, so now we will put the value of all the things and we have the parameter also given, which is given 128 मीटर. तो यहाँ पे लेंथ और ब्रेथ दिया हुआ नहीं है, हमारा पैरामीटर दिया हुआ है. तो लेंथ और ब्रेथ का रेशियो दिया हुआ है. सो वी हैव कंसीडर्ड द फर्स्ट रेशियो इज 5x, सेकंड रेशियो इज 3x. ओके, सो देन वी विल पुट द वैल्यू. सो 2 into 5x plus 3x will be 128 meter. Okay, so now 5x plus 3x is 8x. 8x into 2 is 16x, right? So 16x directly I have done. 16x is equal to 128 meter. So if we divide this 16 into that side, so x will be 128 meter divided by 16. So if you cancel out this, the answer will come 8 times. 8 times 16 is 128. So the value of x you will get is equal to 8 meter. So 8 meter is the value of x only. Okay, so then you have to find the length by putting the value of x and breadth by putting the value of x. Okay, so therefore the length will be 5x. So 5x means 5 into 8. So 5 into 8 meter. So 5 into 8 meter means 40 meter. So 40 meter will be the L and breadth is 3x. 3x means 3 into 8 meter. So 3 into 8 meter means 24 meter. So this is how the length of the rectangular rectangular field or whatever it is asking, rectangular field will be 40 meter and breadth will be 24 meter. Okay, this is how finally at the last you can write. Therefore, the length of the rectangular field is equal to 40 meter and breadth of the rectangular field is equal to 24 meter. Okay, this is how you can solve the questions related to the squares and rectangle. Okay, related to this type of calculations. So now I hope you can solve up to question number 6 of exercise 21A. So your homework is exercise 21A, question number 1 to 6. So till now do that much. Rest of all we will discuss in the next class. Then after then you can do. Okay. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.